Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Pinterest. To begin using Pinterest, start by opening the Pinterest application on your mobile device. Make sure you have the Pinterest app installed. Once you've opened the app, ensure that you're logged into your account. On the homepage of Pinterest, you will see a variety of pictures and ideas. You can scroll through these to discover inspiration or ideas that interest you. If you have something specific in mind, you can use the search bar to look for photos related to your idea. If you want to stay updated or check messages, tap on the message icon, which you will find on the home page. Next, visit your profile. Here, you will find all the things you've created or saved on Pinterest. Tap Create Something New. Tap on the plus icon. From here, you can create a pin, collage, or board. If you want to post your photos, select them from your device. Then, you can add a title, description, and link to your creation. Once you've entered all the details, tap on Create, and your post will be published on your Pinterest account for others to see and discover. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.